Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about Sejda, a powerful online platform and software that makes editing documents very easy. Whether you need to edit PDF, merge files, split pages or compress documents, Sejda provides simple tool and you can do it all these things very simply. So it's really easy, you can do it right now. So for that simply search in a Google Sejda and then click on the first option. And now you can see this is the interface of Sejda where you can upload your documents. So just simply upload the PDF that you are going to edit. So you can see I just upload a file. This is PDF file, and now you can see it's editable and I can edit and I can upload some more information here. Even I can erase some information from here. It's really simple and I can do it in just few seconds. So there is some options over there at the top. You can see text, links, forms, images, and signature. So all these are some options through which you can give a very good shape to your file where you want to edit. So you can do it from here. For example, if I click on forms, so now you can see these are the options. Beside that, you can upload an image here, and also you can do signature here. For example, you received some file from a company, so they need your signature, so you can do it here. Simply upload an image. You can see there is an option, and that will be a signature from you. You call it e-signature. So I will start editing here. I will click on text from above panel, and now you can see I am able to edit all this information. You can see I just erase it and I just write some other information according to my requirements. Beside that, you can upload an image here. For example, I will upload a logo. So now you can see it's really simple and you don't need to do some, you can say, laborious work for this. Now it's really simple. You can do it in just few minutes. So if you click on text, now you will be able to add text here. Beside that, if you click on form, so now you can add some points here, like you can say dots and some clicks and also cross from here. And also you can solve some question paper in Sejda PDF where you can add the correct and false signs here. So it's really very useful tool. And also the most important thing is it's free of cost, but make sure that you have only specific attempt here that you will do, and after that you have to pay for this. But I believe that you can finish your task in just few attempts, so you can do it and you don't need to pay for that. I will recommend that do all editing and do what you want. So when you get satisfied from your file, simply click on apply changes and then you can download that file. And also there is option of whiteout from where you can erase some information from the PDF. When you start using this platform, you will be able to elaborate all these options. It's really very beneficial platform when it comes to editing PDF. So that's all from my side. If you like the video, hit the bell icon and subscribe Knowledge Elevator. See you in next video. Have a good day.